Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is show. Here is a picture of a man showing another man a new car. Here is show in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Show means to display or explain how to use something. Show. Past progressive was showing, past showed, present progressive showing, present show, future will show. Let's build a sentence. The man showed. Today, we will use the past tense. Let's build a sentence. The man showed what? What did the man show? The man showed the car. Let's build a sentence. The man showed the car. Where? Where did he show the car? The man showed the car to the woman. Let's build a sentence. The man showed the car to the woman. Which? Which car? The man showed the new car to the woman. Oh, okay. Let's build a sentence. The man showed the new car to the woman. Why? Why did he show the car to her? He showed the car to the woman to teach her. Oh, okay. Teach her. Interesting. Let's build a sentence. The man showed the new car to the woman to teach her. What? What was he teaching her about? To teach her how to use her new car. Oh, it's her new car. Cool. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.